stick in the party. I need to be like on Cardi. Brand new guitar, we get gnarly. I got more green in the garden. I got more blue than the ocean. We have emotion.
Alright, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another banger video. And today I'm finna install my Taillight tint on my 2018 Dodge Challenger. Yeah. Finna install my tint. Oh, what's up, Louis? What's up, man? What's up, man? Anyways, I'm finna install this, so it came with a rag, the tint, and I guess the little squeegee little thingy thing from you know, one of that. Oh, and I also forgot to record when I installed these. These actually just came in. Them just came in. I forgot to install it. Record it. Look, look at them. It's too cold. It's too cold for them, bro. I also forgot. Oh, here, give Mama her keys. The Mamas. I also forgot to show y'all install my carbon fiber piece on there, and you know. Oh.
Sound like 12. I'ma keep lurking and swerving and working it for the little nigga I play in the street. I'm not playing with you, don't play with me. Shout out to the gutter, it made me a beast. Don't know about no murder, I probably was asleep.